Good morning, guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Kakatapos lang ni Miss Makeupan ako, guys. And ayusin ko yung kilay kasi di siya kagandahan yung kilay, ha? Hello ka tong babaeng to. Asan yung pagkilay ko, Miss?
This is just another gala.
Upload siya ng video.
This is just...
Edit ako mamayang gabi, Miss. Mag-edit talaga ako,
This is
promise.
just another...
Punta kami market today. Another market. I think, I'm not sure if this is 100% accurate. Pero parang may narinig ako sa video na pinapanood ko before we came here na ano daw, yung Thailand daw is the carpet market capital of the world. I'm not sure if that's true. Pero sobrang dami kasi nilang markets. So, sobrang busy dito, guys. Kahit na hindi weekend, at night, kasi lumabas kami ni Dan kagabi. Nagpa-massage kami, and that was like late at night. Siguro mga 10:30 na yun ng gabi. Ano, sobrang busy pa din niya sa labas. Ang laki siguro na makinikita ng mga massage places dito. Kasi hindi sila nauubusan ng customer. Kasi hindi talaga. And then, yung mga massage places, like, tabi-tabi talaga sila. Siguro magkatabi yung 5. And lahat may laman. As in, meron talagang tao. Minsan nga, hindi na sila nag-accept ng customers kasi nakukulangan sila ng mga tao na nagmamasahe.
so slow.
It's slow today. That's fine. Are you publishing that? Like, right after? Ma-upload siya? Hala, hindi niya ako pinansin. Never mind.
Yeah, I will.
Ano guys, hindi siya magkapareha tingnan yung kulay kasi yung lighting. Pero pareho naman siya. Yan. Machi-machi kami ni Miss. Ano to? Gali, upo! Ano yung i-tape mo? Yung bra or yan?
Yung
top?
bra, yung dalawa.
Yung bra ang i-tape?
No, ang bra, hindi siya matape.
Ano na lang, i-cut natin. Tapos i-tape natin sa gitna. Guys, ito yung Hollywood tape. Hindi nag-work sa kanya. Sa akin nag-work naman.
Kasi wala kang boobs.
Ay, hindi! Yan, nag-work. Hindi, yung bra ko lang talaga maganda. Yung bra ko lang maganda. Feeling ko kung ganyan yung klase ng bra ko.
Yeah.
Feeling ko kung ganyan klase yung bra ko, tapos malaki yung tutoy ko, hindi din like, no! Kasi dapat, kung malaki yung tutoy mo, nagsistay yung bra. Ano guys, maganda talaga tong bra na gamit ko guys, this strip. Ililive ko yung link below, Yes Style. Feeling ko kasi yung sa likod niya, hindi ko ipapakita, pero magpo-post ako ng picture. I think that's the reason why nagsistay up talaga siya, kasi hindi naman malaki yung boobies ko, pero nagsistay up talaga siya, hindi mo na kailangan ng Hollywood tape. Yeah, so ito, kailangan niya ng Hollywood tape.
I-cut niya.
Oo, ay, stop na natin. Balik sa Hollywood tape, guys. Siguro hindi siya nagwo-work kung sobrang bigat siguro. Hindi ko alam. Basta kapag like ganito no, tapos ayaw mo na gumaganon, kapag idikit mo lang siya sa katawan, okay siya. As in, nag-work talaga sa akin. Pero I think a regular, like double-sided tape will work as well. Hindi ko pa na-try, so hindi ko 100% sure. Pero yun lang kasi yung ginagawa niya. Parang ididikit lang niya from the damit to your skin. So, it works that way. Yung back to the bra, like, ang ganda talaga, guys. I will leave my code below kasi I think I have 10% off. And feeling ko, the reason why nagsistay up talaga siya is kasi yung yung sa likod niya, wala siyang like fabric, lang talaga siya, yung elastic lang talaga siya ng bra. So, yeah. I-try nyo kasi ito lang sa lahat. Like, yung up bra ko, nagsistay din siya, pero yung up bra kasi, sobrang ganda ng quality. Tapos, parang very sturdy na, nasabi ko naman to sa previous vlogs ko na siya, hindi very, pero medyo uncomfortable siya. So, ginagamit ko lang talaga siya, like, special occasion, yung dresses, and yung nagsistay up talaga siya kasi meron siyang parang grip sa niya, sa pads niya. Anyway, ito, mura. Yung up bra, like, more than $100. Ito, less than $10 lang. So, sobrang mura niya, and nagsistay talaga siya. Like, hindi na ako naggaganon-ganon. Nagsistay talaga. Anyway, yun na. Let's go? Or ano? Ano ka? Tara. OOTD tayo, guys. This is from Chat to Chak. Ano siya, guys? 2-piece actually to, pero para siyang romper kapag tinak-in mo yung top. But this was only 130 baht, tapos na tawadan ni Miss ng 220 dalawa. 110 na lang to. And then I'm wearing the same bag from Chat to Chak again. Sunnies from Zaful. And yeah, same jewelry. Hindi ko suot yung watch ko. Kasi hindi ko naman nagagamit eh. Alright. Let's go, kids!
Guys, you try this one. Juicy Couture.
Na ano ba to? Kasi ang daming Juicy Couture.
I don't know. I forgot.
Okay lang yung amoy niya. Sweet.
It's very long lasting.
Is it? Alright, let's go. Ipamimig.
Nike ha? I mean.
Ano? inano namin guys, please make up room. We're friends again! Friends na ulit kami. Nag-away kami kagabi.
Dito sila nag-away.
Dito kami nag-away. Dito.
This is as far as we got last night.
So hot.
It is, huh?
Yeah, and back. So 3 on the way and then 3 back. Okay.
Hot one when it come back to 5 minutes.
Okay. Alright. So 3.
78 baht.
7 to 8. Go upstairs. And straight long, right? Yeah. Okay. So it's cheaper. 7 to 8 for 3. Thank you. Come here.
Here you go, babe.
Guys, from the Asok Station, 2 stops lang siya papuntang Shitlog. Ay, keep right? Ay, sumunod ako kay Kuya. Dito kami sa left, guys. Marami naman tao dito. Si Miss nasa right. Anyway. Guys, 2 stops lang siya galing sa Asok. So, Nana and then Shitlog. Tapos from here, we will walk mga 11 minutes or 10 minutes papuntang market. No, Terminal 21. Nagkakaroon ako ni siya, uy.
I was gonna make you use it, I can laugh at it.
Buang sedan. Ang binigay niya sa akin na card, Terminal 21. Yung binigay niya sa akin na card, Pier 21. Kung sabi ko, asan yung arrow? Kasi may arrow para ilagay mo sa Tawa siya ng tawa. Did you prank me then? You got me so good. I was looking for the arrow. So there's no arrow. Nag-sale daw yung 9 West guys, o up to 70% off. Asan ka 9 West? I think they have nice shoes as well and bags 9 West. Ito, lakad-lakad kami papunta Pratunam. Medyo social tong street na to kasi may mga Louis Vuitton. Nakita ko yung Louis Vuitton. Punta ako dun guys. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pero gusto kong pumasok sa Louis Vuitton kasi hindi pa ako nakapasok dun. Hanapin lang namin yung Pratunam Market. Guys, pumasok kami sa BGC kasi gusto lang mag-toilet ni Dan. Eh, nakita ko to, Naraya. Ano siya, guys? Para siyang sama...
Where will you be?
Okay, just around here. Naraya and Watson's. Toilet is there. Yung, nga ulit yung sinasabi ko? Sa mga napanood ko na video, sabi, yung Naraya daw, siya, guys? Parang local designer ata siya. Pasok tayo, Miss. Oo nga, kasi marami silang mga organizer. Mga siya guys, bag na mga ganda yung print, yung mga very colorful na mga print. Like mga ganito. So this one's 1,380 baht. Cute din to guys, oh. Parang lalagyan ng toiletries kapag nagta-travel. Magkano? 240 baht. Tapos meron din siyang maliit, 190 yung maliit. Maganda to pang souvenir. Kasi magagamit talaga ba? Guys, hanap si Miss ng makeup organizer. Sige, open mo daw yan. See, 290 baht. Hindi siya ganun kamahal ha, in fairness.
No, there's no...
Yan, pwede mo ilagay yung brush dyan. Yan. Tapos maraming iba-ibang kulay. Dito na kami guys. Yan, Pratunam Market, Thailand. So, lang kami. Aakyat lang kami dun sa overpass. Tapos dun na kami. Ang init. Mainit siya guys. Humid. Pero hindi siya super sunny. So hindi ganun kasakit yung init do, nafe-feel mo pa rin siya. Hindi namin alam guys kung nasaan na kami. Market pa ba to? Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayun guys. Parang hindi pa open lahat. Hindi ko alam kung anong ganap. Hindi siya... Yeah, parang mali ata yung napasukan namin, guys. Wala na, naligaw na tayo, miss. Just keep going. Patay na. Wala, miss, murag dead end naman. Diro, wala, may kagawasan. Oh, wala'y kagawasan. Saan tayo dito?
This market's ghetto.
Guys, Louis Vuitton. Ay, hindi siya Louis Vuitton. Lychee. Lychee siya. Lychee, biyan mo, miss. Let's go? I think this is it na. Ah, what?
This is it, but it's crap.
Okay. Yun na yun, guys. Yun na yung market. Akala namin niligaw kami, pero parang hindi pala. Ito na talaga pala yun. Wala siya masyadong maraming clothes gaya ng, Chato Chak. So, puntan lang kami mall. Guys, dito pala kami sa Platinum Mall. And ang dami, guys. Heaven talaga to. Like, kung mahilig kayo sa mga damit, fashion, nandito. As in, sobrang dami. Ah, miss, ang bango dito. Punta tayo dito. May mga ganito, oh. Ang bango dito. Humot kay Dre, miss. Kaneo, nice ni, oh.
You realize there's another 2 more floors of fashion as well, babe?
Really?
Of girls' fashion?
Wow. Kani po nice po ni. Kani ni miss, oh, nice. Guys, nalibot namin yung buong first floor. Now we're going up to the second floor. As in, nilibot talaga namin, guys. Aisle to aisle, aisle to aisle. And meron kaming nabili, tatlong shirts lang, tatlong tops. Yun. Isa kay miss, dalawa yung akin. Dito na naman tayo. See guys, ang dami. Grabe, napaka-busy. Alright, where do we start? Saan tayo magsa-start? Ala, paano to, miss? Where do we start, miss?
Stand up there.
Here, just go. Puro mga damit talaga, guys. Ang dami. Angge. May ka. Philippines, sa Brazil, Singapore.
That's okay.
Guys, tapos actually, hindi kami natapos sa Platinum. Uy, ano siya? Killjoy. Uwi na tayo, uwi na tayo.
It's the same thing, it's the same stuff.
It's actually not.
What's that?
See? She said it's the same stuff. So yung naano namin guys, 2 floors lang kasi gusto na niya umuwi. So uwi kami sa hotel.
Bakit na lang kuan?
Punta siya sa hotel. Kami ni Dan, lalabas kami. Magmamassage. Magpapamassage na naman kami. So we had a massage last night and now we will do it again.
And then we'll go for a swim after that.
And then magsiswimming kami. Kasi maaga pa. What time is it, babe?
2:30.
2:30 pa lang, uy. Kala ko may... Nakakapagod din naman maglakad, pero okay lang, uy. Nakabili kami ng pants. Kami dalawa. Naglalakad kami, guys, papunta sa BTS
We can
station.
come back with like a late tea and then go to the rooftop.
Yeah. May dragon seafood dun, guys, oh. Looks good. Gusto namin mag-seafood one night.
Maybe do that tonight. We'll go there tonight after.
Guys, uwi na sana kami. Pero nakita namin to, parang outside siya ng Isitan. Sabi ni Dan, daan muna tayo dun. Na-convince niya si Miss na daan muna kami saglit. Tapos after nito, uwi na talaga kami. Ayan. Loy, nagutom tuloy ako. Market. Mangustin guys, 100. Mas mahal dito, rambutan 50.
Meow. Meow.
Meow daw, meow. Oh, look at that. Oh, food, miss. Kain na lang tayo, miss. Yeah, let's eat here. Tingnan mo, Today. Wow, yummers. Gusto mo kumain yan? Hindi naman ako marunong kumain yan. Yeah, I know. Like 50 baht, 60 baht, 20. May free try, guys. Masarap yung siomai nila, kuya. Dumpling. May free try. Kinain namin. Nabusog na ako tuloy si Miss. Buang. O mga ano. Lakad-lakad muna kami. Tingnan muna natin kung saan ka gusto umorder. Tapos stop tayo. Ah, ito na naman, oh.
Hello.
Yeah, babe, look.
Oh, that's nice.
Masarap to, guys, yung may cheese. How much? 50 baht? Okay, same. Yeah. I want one now. Do you want this? Hindi natin ito nabili kahapon.
Which one? The one with cheese?
Oh, you get it. Whatever you want, babe. Sure.
Do you want one?
No.
No? Just this one for me. Ikaw?
I'll have this one.
Oh, that one? Okay. Ito, malaki. Sige.
My keys. Yummer.
80.
I got two.
She took the,
Oh, sorry. I'll pay you.
That's all right. Spicy?
spicy, yes. Thank you.
If I can remember, I'll pay you.
Yum. Thank you.
Guys, si ate andun siya. Hi, Te. What are you doing? Where are you?
Ay, may chicken pa pala yung fried rice.
Look at. Anong binili niya, guys?
Ito yung pagkain namin, guys. Ang itim ng chicken liver, tingnan. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kaitim. Nabili ko yan dyan. 100 baht yung chicken liver. Mahal siya, guys. Grabe. 100 baht. And then, gusto ko sana fried rice lang. And sabi ni ate, chicken fried rice. So sabi ko, sige, chicken fried rice. And yun yung binigay niya sa akin. So yan. And then I got more of those barbecue kasi ang sarap, guys, ng pork barbecue. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to kasi si Dan yung nagbayad. Pero ito, 30 baht each. Yung rice, sticky rice, 10 baht each. And then itong kay Dan, ano siya, guys, deep fried na prawns. Ang lalaking prawns. I'm not sure kung magkano to. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan si Dan. I think he's getting drinks somewhere. Ang ganda dito, guys, in fairness. Sa harap lang siya ng Platinum Mall. Tapos hindi siya mabaho. So, malinis siya tingnan. And they have bins everywhere as well. So, yan. Malinis siya. Yung food pala ni Dan, guys, 300 baht. Mas prefer na niya yung walang sabaw, yung fried. Kasi para iwas sakit siya. I think it was the second day na sumakit yung tiyan niya pa. Ilang beses siya pabalik-balik sa
Guys, nandito ako sa likod. Ayaw, okay. Ano lang.
Dito siya, guys. Kasama namin siya.
Are you so used to like New Zealand not having humidity?
Dito kami sa guys.
Is Michael Ford 60 brand as well that you're wearing?
Yeah, she wants Michael Kors as well. So she's planning to look at Michael Kors and Cat's bed. Miss, hindi mo narinig. Sabi ko, Cat's bed. Dito kami sa Cat's bed, guys. Pili-pili siya ng wallet. So ito, kapag bumili ka dito, bibigyan ka nila ng form para makakuha ka ng 5%. You will get 5% back sa airport. Bibigyan ka nila ng form. Tapos nakasale pa sila 15% off. Which one do you like? Oh, is she getting you something already? Let me show them. Show them what you like. That one, guys.
Color is what I like. But I want it to be a big one.
You want a bigger one? Magsisisi ka niyan, miss. Magsisisi ka niyan paglaki mo. Paglaki mo. Ay, I like this.
I want this color.
Yeah, babe, I like this. Look, kay holder. Para ako buang card holder. I like this. Babe. Ay, meron ding black. Kasi guys, gamit-gamit ko yung card holder na binili ni Dan, yung tag 150 baht. Pinakita ko ba sa inyo? Kasi mas maganda kapag ganito. Ito ba, oh? Yan. Maganda siya pang travel. Doon na yung pera mo, card. Michael Kors tayo, guys. Mayroon na siya napili doon sa Kate Spade. Pero sabi ni Dan, tingin ka muna dito, uy, just to make sure. So, tingin ka dyan. What's the sale? What's the sale?
Full price.
20% off ni siya, guys. And then, 40% off, I think.
Cheap as spy.
And then, spy ka dyan. Ito, 50% off. 50% off. Yung wallet, 40% off. Kaya lang ayaw niya yung Michael Kors wallet. 40% off to, guys. Ang laki nga lang. Guys, kanina pa namin sinasabi uwi na kami, pero laging nasa stop. Gusto niya bumili ng concealer ng akin kasi maganda yung NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Bili ka na. Let's see if they have a concealer here. Must be there, miss. Yung mga ito, oh. Yan, this one.
Is it really nice?
Nagamit mo na, 'di ba? Ang ganda. Mine was ginger.
Then.
So maybe just a tad lighter than mine. Or here, miss, so. Alright.
Ano?
That's the same thing. Sure na talaga to, guys. Papunta na talaga kami sa BTS. Hindi siya bumili ng NARS. Bukas na lang daw siya bibili. Oy. Mahal guys! Mahal yung makeup dito. Hindi siya mura. Yung Estee Lauder niya kagabi, ang laki ng binayaran niya. Siguro $20 more. Grabe ha, ang laki kaya nun. Kasi sa Australia, nabayaran ko yun ng mga 50, siguro mga $54 yung akin. Kinonvert namin yun, nabayaran niya mga 70 plus. So, $20 more. Pero huwag natin sabihin sa kanya kasi magagalit siya, guys. Magagalit siya, mag-grumpy siya.
Ha?
Nothing.
What do you mean grumpy?
He's grumpy. Grumpy. Guys, suot-suot ni ate yung gusto kong bago. Pochette Métis. Guys, magpupul kami ni Dan. Sex on the beach. Sex on the beach. Meron silang bar dito. Yan.
Ah. It has vodka or no?
Put the fingers on there. So my bed is not yet done.
Guys, nakabalik na kami pero alis na naman kami. Nag-shower lang kami saglit. We will get a massage. Iwan lang si Sisi dito. Ayun yung sumama. Papamassage kami guys. Full body massage. Oil massage. So, pagbalik namin, shower na naman ulit. Oh, good babe. Let's go. I'm gonna leave the camera. Bye guys. See you later. Guys, nakabalik na kami guys. Anong oras na? What time is it, babe?
7 o'clock.
7? Mag-haul ako guys.
Apply ko next week.
Haul ako. May kausap si Miss.
Bye!
Kaloka. Nagpunta kami sa ano, Miss? Nagpunta kami sa supermarket. Mag-haul ako ng mga gusto kong itry na mga chips. So, meron tayong uv-uv. Bun-bun. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung masarap to, pero try natin to, guys. And I have Snack Jack. Ganyan. Ano siya? Green peas. And ito, peas din siya, guys, na snack. Kasi 'di ba yung isa sa mga favorite na chips ko dun sa sa Australia is yung yung basta green pea na snack din. I will be trying this one. Parang ito yung Lay's na version ng ng Thailand. This is the hot chili squid flavor. Hindi ko pa to na-try, but this one is my favorite. Miss, they actually have a big one. Yung paborito ko na flavor, yung nori seaweed flavor. Na-try ko to guys nung nagpunta kami sa zoo. Zoo. No, hindi yung zoo. Yung sa elephant show, nung nagpunta kami doon, na-try ko to doon and sobrang sarap niya. Hinanap ko siya and nakita namin siya doon sa same supermarket na pinuntahan namin kanina, 24/7 siya, guys. Maliit lang. Last night, nagpunta kami ni Dan, maliit. So, sabi ko, bakit wala silang malaki? Meron pala silang malaki, pero tao yung yung nasa picture and nasa gilid lang yung nori na flavor. Yan, maliit. Hindi ko masyadong nakita. Yung maliit kasi, it doesn't look like this. Walang tao yung maliit. So, sabi ko, bakit ganun? Anyway, this is really good. As in, sobra. And then, I just got the original para matry ko. Do you want to try it? Miss? And then, Dan got the bonbon chocolate. Yan. Do you wanna eat this now? And he got a chocolate as well. No, he got an ice cream kinainan niya. And he got Red Bull. Ito.
I forgot about that.
Do you want that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, ito guys. So interesting. Nakita ko siya. Beauty drink daw siya. It's a beauty drink. So, siguro kapag ininom mo ito, mabibeauty ka. Inumin mo to, miss. Para mabeauty ka. Beauty drink. Doon talaga. Yun talaga pangalan. Beauty drink. Try na natin tong original. Yung nabayaran namin ni Dan, sa lahat ng yun kasama yung ice cream niya is 1,000 over. 151 baht. Merong 30 baht. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung 30 baht. Kasi hindi ko naman maintindihan.
You paid 1,000?
No, 151. Tapos meron ding 38 baht. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan dun. Siguro ito yung 30 baht. Kasi, no, hindi. 20 baht. Yeah. Maybe the beauty drink is Punta kami, guys, rooftop bar. Punta tayo dun, miss.
Asa man akong kanon, te?
Kahit kain ka. Kasi dapat mag-try ka ng mga snack para alam mo kung ano yung dadalhin mo, kung ano yung magustuhan mo ba. Kasi ito, bibili ako ng malaki nito pag uwi. Dadalhin ko pa uwi. So, ito sure na ako na Meron ako nakita doon na mas malaki pa yung family pack.
Sige, bili
Ito
ako
yung
ng
nori
ganyan.
yan. Diba? See? Dapat, guys, ganun yun. Kapag nagbabakasyon kayo, mag-try kayo ng mga local food. Para alam nyo kung ano yung dadalhin nyo. Kasi mas mura talaga pag binili dito.
At chili. It's the same price, I think.
No, it's not. Sa overseas, it's not gonna
Magkano
be the
yan?
same. Ito?
The one, the United.
20 baht?
20 baht is what?
Less than $1. Ba? Ano same price?
No, it's
She said it's gonna be the same price.
Just loving
Tay.
it. You mean to everyone. You mean to everyone this trip. She's mean to everyone this trip.
What do you mean everyone?
Me, sissy.
so mean. Grumpy.
No, it's just the... Is it
Like-
good?
Yeah.
This
But
is
I'll
just
buy
an
that
original.
one.
This is just an original flavor. I don't know why I put that.
I'll buy that one tila.
Yeah?
Let me.
Is this good as well? Do you wanna buy this?
Yeah.
Mm.
But it's not hot and spicy.
Oh yeah, it's good. Hot chili squid.
I'll have to do the ano?
I still like the nori better. Should we open everything? Oh, Red Bull. Can I have some of your Red Bull?
So this is like a night market.
Another market. Can I have some Red Bull?
Why do you always go to markets?
Yeah. It's on the list.
That's for tomorrow night. It's
Oh,
a night
no,
market.
this is a different one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Nandito na naman kami guys sa BTS na station. Punta kami sa rooftop. We're doing it the second time around. Kagabi, dun sana kami. Pupunta sana kagabi. Uy, what? Uy! Dito yung train. Pupunta sana kami kagabi. Kaya lang ano, di natuloy kasi nag-away kami nila. We're going to Shitlong. Hindi siya busy ngayon guys. Chitlong. Okay, let's go. Chitlong. Same to nang pinuntahan namin kanina guys. Same stop. So, from Asok, ano lang siya. Pangatlong stop galing Asok. Guys, I think nandito na kami. Hindi namin sure. Pero I think ito yun. Yeah. Doon kami. Ah, yes, it is the one, babe. Doon kami sa taas, guys. Rooftop bar. Iniwan nila ako. Iniwan na ako, besh. Dito na kami sa elevator, guys. Doon kami sa pinakataas. 55th floor. Yan. Red sky. Dapat ganyan yung itsura niya. Do you feel that we're really like up high now? Guys, nandito na kami guys. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow. Nice kay guys. Ano, doon na kami kanina. Tapos, akit ka dito. Nandito yung bar talaga. And oh my gosh, look at this. Nakakatakot. Dito na kami guys. Nakaupo na kami. And ito yung view namin. Nice. Nakaupo na sana kami dun sa kabila. Tapos sabi ni Dan, hanap tayo na mas better. And dito, mas maganda dito. Good job. Yung pangalan niya guys is Red Sky Bar. And ito yung menu nila. Ano siya guys? iPad, tablet. Social ng kanilang menu. Tingnan niyo yung beer ni Dan, guys. Ang laki. He got a beer. Yung akin, guys, bubbling mango. It's a cocktail.
You like it?
And then we've got nuts here. Yeah, it's alright. Kain, guys.
guys. Kakarating namin ng hotel. Tulog na kami, guys. Tanggalin ko lang yung makeup ko. Mag-skincare ako, tapos matutulog ako. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.